So welcome to another unboxing by EPS Global. So today, as you can see, we're going to unbox a couple of devices from Smartoptics. So Smartoptics, we've been working with them for maybe 5 or 6 years now, and they work in optical networking. So their customer base includes cable and telecom operators, cloud providers, internet exchanges, governments, and I think they have thousands of enterprise customers as well. So the solutions are based on open standards and open protocols, which is obviously important for us. Used in metro and regional applications, and then metro access networks as well. So today what we're going to have a look at is we have a ROADM and a Muxponder. So this is the DCP-R, that's their ROADMs, 9D, so that's 9 degrees. This is their 9-degree ROADM, and we have the DCP-404. Which, as I said, is their Muxponder. So we're going to open them up and have a look. Hey, so this is our DCP-R-9D. Again, DCP-R is their ROADM family. And 9D just means 9 degrees. So what came in the box, there are 2 power cords. We have an RJ45 to serial connector and 2 Ethernet patch cords, a fairly heavy rack mount kit, and an SFP. On the back end, we have 2 hot swappable power supplies, 4 Ethernet ports and 1 SFP port. Then on the front side, we have our console of management, our OSC SFP, our cross connect, line side, MPO connector, and then we have our 40 add drop ports. So we're actually deploying this at the minute in Ireland in a regional network, along with the DCP-404, which I'm going to show you now. So here we have the DCP-404 Muxponder. We've actually got 2 DCP-404 Muxponders. In the box, we've got 2 power cables. We got a blind cover, so if we were only using one, we'd cover over the other. We got 2 Ethernet patch cables. We got a serial to RJ45 connector, and we got our rack mount kit. On the box itself, we have 2 hot swappable PSUs at the back. I'll just click this one in. And we've also got our console and management port on the back. We've got 4 Ethernet ports, and we've got 1 SFP port. On the business end, so we have our line side here. So we've 4 by 100 gig ports. So this is perfect if you want to multiplex services on the client side. So this will take LR4, SR4, ER4, ZR4, or CWDM4, QSFP28. On the line side, we have our 400 gig port here, QSFP-DD, and this will take the 400 ZR plus, but it'll also take the 100 gig ZR plus optic, coherent optic as well. So that's our DCP-404 Muxponder.